Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sandra Lee here to give you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest in facelift surgery. You know, facelift surgery has come a long way. We're not talking about that pulled-back, windblown look from the old days. We're talking natural-looking results that take years off your appearance. We're going to dive deep into the cutting-edge techniques and technologies that are changing the game. So, if you're ready to turn back the clock and feel your absolute best, stick around. Welcome to Aesthetic Insider. Let's start with the SMAS facelift. SMAS stands for Superficial Musculo-Aponeurotic System. It's basically a fancy way of saying the layer of muscle and tissue beneath your skin. Now, traditional facelifts just pulled the skin tight, which often looked unnatural. But with the SMAS technique, we go deeper. We lift and tighten that muscle layer, which gives you a much more natural and longer-lasting result. Think of it like this. Imagine lifting the foundation of a house instead of just tugging on the wallpaper. That's the SMAS facelift. It's incredibly effective for lifting those jowls, defining the jawline, and restoring that youthful contour to the mid-face. And the best part? The results can last for 10 to 15 years or even longer. Now, if you're looking for even more dramatic and transformative results, the Deep Plane facelift is where it's at. This technique goes even deeper than the SMAS facelift, addressing the underlying ligaments and tissues that really hold everything in place. Think of it like a total suspension lift for your face. By releasing and repositioning these deeper structures, we can achieve a remarkably natural lift without that tight, stretched look. And because we're working with the deeper tissues, the blood supply is better, which means faster healing and improved skin quality. If you have significant sagging in the mid-face and jowls, the Deep Plane facelift could be your fountain of youth, with results lasting up to 20 years. Scars holding you back from taking the plunge? Well, say hello to the endoscopic facelift. This technique is minimally invasive, using a tiny camera called an endoscope to navigate beneath the skin. We make small incisions hidden within the hairline so the scars are practically invisible. It's like magic. The endoscopic facelift is perfect for younger patients who are just starting to see the early signs of aging, like some sagging in the cheeks or jowls. And often we'll combine it with other procedures like fat grafting or thread lifts to add volume and really enhance those results. Maybe you're not quite ready for a full facelift, but you still want to freshen up your look. That's where the mini facelift comes in. This procedure is perfect for addressing those early signs of aging, like mild jowling and a little bit of skin laxity. It's less invasive than a full facelift, with smaller incisions and a quicker recovery time. Most people are back on their feet in just a week or so. That's why it's often called the weekend facelift. If you're in your late 30s to 50s and want a subtle but noticeable improvement, the mini facelift could be just the ticket. Now, for those of you who aren't ready for surgery, don't worry. We've got some amazing non-invasive options too. Ultherapy is like a non-surgical facelift. It uses ultrasound energy to stimulate collagen production deep within the skin, which gradually lifts and tightens everything up. It's great for improving sagging skin on the face, neck, and even the chest. Then there's RF microneedling, which combines radiofrequency energy with tiny needles to create microscopic injuries in the skin. This triggers the body's natural healing process, producing a surge of new collagen and elastin for firmer, smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Thread lifts are all the rage these days, and for good reason. They're a minimally invasive way to lift and reposition sagging skin using dissolvable sutures. Basically, special threads that dissolve over time. These threads are inserted under the skin, and then we gently pull them to lift and tighten the tissues. What's really cool is that the threads themselves stimulate collagen production, so your skin continues to improve even after the threads dissolve. Thread lifts are great for a subtle lift in the cheeks, jowls, and neck, and the results can last for 1 to 2 years. It's a fantastic option if you're not quite ready for surgery but want a noticeable improvement. Sometimes a facelift alone isn't enough. As we age, we lose volume in our faces, which can make us look gaunt and tired. That's where fillers and PRP come in. Dermal fillers like hyaluronic acid are injected into the skin to plump up wrinkles, restore lost volume, and give you back that youthful fullness. They're like instant gratification. And then there's platelet-rich plasma. or PRP, which is like a supercharged serum made from your own blood. We draw a small amount of your blood, spin it down to concentrate the platelets, and then inject those platelets back into your skin. Platelets are rich in growth factors that stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and give you a natural, healthy glow. So there you have it, the latest and greatest in facelift surgery. Remember, it's not about looking plastic or fake, it's about aging gracefully and feeling confident in your own skin. With these modern techniques and technologies, you can achieve natural-looking, long-lasting results that enhance your natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, stay beautiful.